Hey there, it's Tally, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of performing a general merchandise pawn or buy transaction in Bravo. You are going to start by entering the manufacturer and model into the Smart Search found here on the Bravo dashboard. For this example, we will use an Apple iPhone XS Max. Based on our unique pawn and buy multipliers, the estimated pawn amount and buy amounts appear here. Next, you're going to answer the quality assessment or condition questions. These will differ depending on the category and model of the item. Remember, these answers help Bravo in calculating the recommended amount to pawn or buy based on the item's condition and included accessories. Our final estimate is here, but wait, our customer needs more money. Now is a great time to check out the price guide summary and/or the price guide report and qualify your customer. Notice you can bring in your customers mid-transaction and take advantage of powerful insights into who is standing in front of you, how often they visit, and how profitable they are to your store. With the negotiated amount in place, we will fill in the details and wrap up the transaction. You can enter the serial number if applicable and location if you know where it will go. Otherwise, the item can be located after the transaction is completed and tracked by a task list button on the dashboard. Additional item details can be added here, and you can always add images by right-clicking on your mouse within the black square and either pasting or taking a photo from your webcam. If the customer changes their mind and wants to sell the item to us, you can quickly change this loan transaction to a buy here. Now select Next. You will now complete the MLA check if applicable and record the appropriate response, and then select Next. Then finish the transaction by selecting Save. The loan ticket, item tag, and supporting documents will now print. That's it. If you have any additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.